She doesn't want to come out. She's complaining. She's like, I don't know what that white stuff is. Even with the incentive of bird seed, she still doesn't want to come out. Anyway, whatever. She'll figure it out soon enough. Anyway, it's a beautiful landscape in my backyard. Winter wonderland. I love how snow comes and covers all the sins that the eye would behold as ugly. It's just pretty now. Everything's just pretty. Anyway, there's nothing much to say, nothing much to see. There was snow on top of the greenhouse. It melted away, which is a very good thing. I'm just gonna put this down. Anyway, let me just check inside the greenhouse real quick. It's a little bit of a snow drift. Alright. I think everything should be cool. Woo! It's hard to open. Alright, let's try this again. Alright. There we go. Ooh, balmy. I love that. Ooh, so let's check this out. Well, it doesn't feel warm, but I'm sure that the fact that it feels balmy in here has a little bit to do with that. Anyway, I have a couple extra jugs. These had water in them, and I took the water out. And I'm gonna paint them black, but probably not today. I'm just kind of... Oh, look at that. The water inside these watering cans is frozen. Well, at least at the top. Oh boy. Anyway. It's too much for me right now. I'm just gonna go back in the house. I don't even know what to say. Anyway. So this chicken won't come out yet. There's actually 2 white hens inside the coop that won't come out. She was actually standing on the perch a minute ago. She still hasn't come out. Still hasn't eaten. Well, there's feed in the feeder, but only this one is brave enough to come out. That's another problem about not having a rooster. If the rooster was here, he would have been out. He would have flushed them out, and they would be out walking all over the paths and pooping all over the place, which is not always nice, but lighten to stretch their legs as much as getting the fresh air, because well, the fresh air is most important, obviously, but getting exercise is a very necessary thing. So anyway, I don't know, I guess they'll come out when they're ready. I'm done. I'm going in now. Thanks for watching.